Hello everyone, this is Lucas on a rainy day, and this is how to make a bicycle house part 3. As you can see, I've changed the configuration of my frame around a bit. I did a lot of welding yesterday. When I first built this frame in the last video, I only had 6 welding rods, so I couldn't get quite as far as what I needed or wanted. But it was functional, as you saw in the last video. But I did change things around yesterday and welded some more pieces to everything just to kind of beef everything up and make sure that this thing wasn't going to fall apart. I didn't expect this to be as successful as I thought it would be. I thought I was going to run into a lot of problems, but actually my design turned out pretty well, and so I decided to sink some more money into it. So I think in my last video I said we're up $7. I had to spend another $16 on welding rods, so I'm still well under my $200 budget. I pretty much got everything together, but I don't have, I haven't decided on what I'm going to use for the deck yet. Right now the frame is flipped upside down. I'm going to show you how I got the tires to fit in. So again, I used more bed frames on the side here, and what I did was, if you can see here, I notched out here and here so that I can drop a tire down inside, so when this is flipped up over, the weight is going to push down on the tires and hold everything down. I really beefed up the welds. Welds on this are anywhere between 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch thick, all the way around depending on where they are. Yeah, I went over everything and just welded it really well because I want this to last. This is something that could last me potentially 20 years if I weld it properly. So the frame anyways. I sprayed it all with appliance paint. Again, another $10. It was just a Canadian Tire appliance paint they make now to touch up fridges and stuff like that. But it's really water resistant, and it's an all-in-one primer and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it goes on really well, and I've used it on a lot of other things, and I am a total believer in this stuff. It's a very high quality paint. It's made by Rust-Oleum, I believe. Rust-Oleum appliance paint. So yeah. Not too much difference from the last design, except like I said, where I had that, and I still have the original tire holes and all this kind of stuff, but there's going to be a little trick to this, and as I develop it further, I'm going to show everybody that this is going to have an extra feature to it. If I can, I want to try to make this amphibious, and I know that's kind of weird, but yeah, if I can make this thing float, that would be just the greatest, because it would just be a really cool idea to be able to bike down to the river, push this thing out into the river, throw your bike on top of it, and then just spend the night out there, right? If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget our stuff below, man. Take care.